Hello, welcome to today's webinar. I'm Stuart Morigeau, the Manager of Product Management here at NRG Systems. Today, we'll be exploring an exciting new offering from NRG, the new Class A R1 Pyranometer. Let's begin. During today's webinar, we'll quickly look at who NRG Systems is. We'll look at the features, key benefits, and technical specifications of our new R1 Pyranometer. We'll review how the NRG R1 Pyranometer integrates with our Flare resource management solutions. And lastly, we'll review this pyranometer's use cases and main applications. NRG Systems was founded in 1982 and has over 40 years of experience designing and manufacturing renewable resource measurement technologies for a more sustainable planet. NRG is based in Hinesburg, Vermont, and has a global sales and service network. NRG Systems has shipped products to all 7 continents and over 170 countries, serving renewable energy manufacturers, utilities, developers, consultants, research institutes, and government agencies in both wind and solar development. We are very excited to announce our new Class A R1 Pyranometer from NRG Systems. A pyranometer measures solar radiation in watts per square meter. The NRG R1 has been designed for solar measurement applications where the best performance is a must. The NRG R1 is a spectrally flat Class A pyranometer. It can be used for high-level PV utility scale performance monitoring and configured for several types of measurement configurations, such as global horizontal irradiance, plane of array irradiance, and albedo measurements. In order to ensure a Class A standing, the NRG R1 is fully compliant with the ISO 960/2018 standards and the latest IEC standards. Each pyranometer is calibrated separately, and each unit is supplied with a calibration report. Now we'll discuss some key benefits of this R1 pyranometer. For high accuracy measurements, each unit is equipped with a removable sun shield. This helps shield the instrument body from being heated by solar radiation more than necessary, while keeping it in contact with the ambient air and protecting the spectral sensitivity. It also helps minimize zero offsets due to thermal shocks by dust, variable wind speed, or rain events. The R1 is a turnkey pyranometer that is easy to set up and has integrated leveling for quick installations. The R1 is available with both digital and analog configurations. The analog, or R1, and the digital, or R1D, are separate devices with their own unique signal types, wiring configurations, and power requirements, all of which are supported by NRG Systems. Both the R1 and R1D are compatible with the NRG Logger platform, the NRG Logger S, and the NRG Symphony Pro, and our installation manual will help guide you through those configuration needs. Additionally, the R1s come standard with built-in surge protection. For additional protection, the R1 analog and R1D digital come with the option to add an external heating and ventilation unit. The ventilation unit helps protect the instruments while keeping the temperature uniform and helps prevent dew and frost buildup. Heating with this external unit is possible in extreme conditions, but please ensure to check the power requirements if this is an option you're considering. And since I've mentioned power requirements, I do need to point out that the analog R1 and the digital R1D have unique power requirements. The analog R1 is a passive unit and does not require any additional power, while the digital R1D is active and does require power. NRG supplies a standard power configuration that supports this unit and that will be located in the manual on the website. In order to support the many mounting configurations the R1 Pyranometer has, NRG Systems has developed mounting brackets and hardware that meets most, if not all, configuration needs for utility scale PV monitoring. For ease of installation, unique mounting brackets and mounting fasteners for the R1 analog and R1 digital are available to support the desired solar resource assessment and solar resource monitoring, plane of array, and albedo measurement configurations. The R1 units should be mounted above all nearby obstructions in an accessible location. Ensure to orient the pyranometer with the cable facing north if the installation is in the northern hemisphere, and orient the cable to the south in the southern hemisphere. Additionally, a drip loop should be left on the sensor wire to allow water to run off the cable and not into the unit. Another strong advantage to the R1 analog and R1 digital is that they are both compatible with the NRG data logger platform. For the Symphony Pro and Logger S, the R1 Pyranometer defaults are available within the logger firmware. Additionally, the wiring and configurations are made straightforward and familiar with the NRG Systems pre-configured tables for the Symphony Pro that are on our website, as well as the web-based configurations for the Logger S loggers for ease of use and connectivity. And to recap, here is a summary of the key technical specifications that we've covered today. The R1 analog and the R1 digital share the Class A secondary standard compliance, as well as the wide use of applications that include the solar resource assessment and monitoring, meteorological studies, and environmental monitoring. Both are spectrally flat, and both are compatible with multiple logging platforms. However, they both have unique signal types, one being analog and one being digital, and they both have unique power requirements. Our full range of NRG R1 specifications can be found at the product site, again on our website at nrgsystems.com. In order to ensure the R1's performance remains at its highest level, NRG recommends cleaning the R1 units weekly. It also recommends inspecting the mounts at least seasonally, and recommends seeking recalibration every 2 years. Each unit is fully supported by our expert technical support teams here at NRG and can be contacted by email or phone. NRG's approach to solar measurement is to take a holistic view and to keep our customers' goals and not just our own in mind. This means, in addition to supplying industry-leading equipment, NRG also provides all relevant support and services to ensure our customers achieve their desired results. We do recognize that each solar plant is unique, and there's also a great diversity of equipment and technologies to choose from. We've been working hard in recent years to improve NRG's solar offering to support pre-construction assessment, as well as post-construction operational monitoring, and are designed to transition seamlessly between both. At NRG, we aim to take the variability and guesswork out of getting high quality, accurate solar measurements with our flare offering. We are very excited that the NRG R1 Pyranometer is now a part of NRG Flare's standardized portfolio. The R1 Pyranometer helps complete our offering of a cost-effective, yet high-quality and trusted sensor in our lineup. We're not standing still, and in fact, we're just getting started with more improvements on the horizon and more on the way. Throughout this presentation today, I've shared the key technical benefits of the R1 Pyranometer, industry standard compliancy, key requirements to ensure optimal use of the pyranometer, the many mounting configurations that NRG is designed, and the compatibility benefits with the NRG Logger platform. And finally, the maintenance to ensure that the R1 functions as designed. Additionally, the R1 Pyranometer is designed to seamlessly support both the Solar Resource Assessment, SRA, and Solar Resource Monitoring, SRM, solutions. The R1 analog and the R1 digital pyranometer can be used as standalone or as a part of an overall assessment campaign or solar monitoring solution. Regardless of the solution that you choose, the R1 provides the best-in-class, high accuracy, and high-quality sensor that is backed by NRG Systems' years of experience and deep technical expertise. I would like to thank you all for attending today's webinar. We appreciate everyone's time and attention. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me or our team, and we'd be more than happy to have further discussions. Thank you again, and please enjoy the rest of your day.